This is for we. You ever feel lost or disappointed? Remember this. Every pain and setback of a time, and God prepare we for breakthrough. Sometimes we feel like we deeper problems deep down in the forest, full of shadow, twist and turn, and quiet moment we test with patience. But just like the sound them in the forest, we come together in a harmony when night scenes start for sure. Every disappointment, every pain, and every waiting season have them place and them purpose. Nothing will happen in your life a waste, okay? In a God plan. Every tear, every setback, every struggle I help with to face the stage. For we breakthrough, for we growth, and for we victory. Trust in timing and trust the process. Keep walking in our faith, even when the road look dark. The night will show its beauty and your blessing. And free blessing will unfold right before we face. Ecclesiastic 3 verse 1 says, to everything there's a season and a time to every purpose under the heaven. So my friend, wait it out. Our blessing is on the way. All right? Until then, love God first and yourself. Peace.